What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can find the Leather Cloak and Rapier of the Fallen Kingdom in Crimson Desert. To find these items, bring up your map. Just above the letter R of the Hernan label, and a bit to the right, you can see my character marker inside a place called the Icemoor Castle Ruins. If you haven't been there yet, it won't appear on your map. Just put a blind waypoint to where my character sat on your end. If you start your journey from Hernan Town, just take the road that leads to the northwest. Now the location is not pretty hard to find. Once you get there, dive deeper into the ruins. And when you reach the castle grounds, take the stairs going up the ruined castle. Follow the next couple of stairs and paths that go around the ruin, until you eventually reach an area with a small hole on the wall. Crouch and get inside that hole, and attack the wooden tanks that block it. You'll find a room inside with some valuables. On one side of the room is the chest. Open it and you'll get the leather cloak. Now for the rapier, it's just behind the chest, leaning against the barrel. You just found 2 pieces of the Fallen Kingdom set in one go. I hope this video helped. Please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more Crimson Desert tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.